Zebra is delighted to be launching the brand new ZT231 Industrial Printer, replacing the ZT230. The product has been intelligently engineered to bring a huge range of features at an affordable price point. This video will summarise why you should migrate from the ZT230 to the brand new ZT231. The ZT231 is a link-OS printer, meaning it has access to Zebra's powerful print in a suite of applications, including emulations that allow the ZT231 to emulate programming languages from other vendors, such as TSC, SATO, and Datamax. All of these languages are preloaded out the box, unlike the ZT230, so it's never been easier to replace another brand in the field. Zebra has introduced a 4.3-inch colour touch display, making it easier to see printer status and seek support via wizards and animations. This is the same touch display on several other Zebra printers, so it'll be an interface many of your end users will already be familiar with. This is far larger and easier to use than the LCD display on the ZT230. The ZT231 has a max speed of 12 IPS, meaning it's ideal for applications which require higher speeds on a budget. This is double the max speed of the ZT230, which is capable of 6 IPS. On top of this, RFID is now supported on the ZT231, making the technology even more accessible and affordable. Ethernet, USB host, and Bluetooth Low Energy are all standard on the ZT231, giving a huge range of flexibility with a wide range of communication types. Ethernet was only an option on the ZT230, and USB host and Bluetooth Low Energy were not even available. The USB host is useful if you want to connect a barcode scanner or keyboard to the printer, and Bluetooth Low Energy can be used with the Zebra Setup Utilities app to change settings and push files. If you require any further information on the ZT231, please visit zebra.com/ZT231 or your local Zebra sales rep for more details.